Looking for the best motorcycle alarms? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 motorcycle alarms on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, YOHOOLYO Disc Lock Alarm. Anchored by a durable 7mm pin, this product by YOHOOLYO locks at 360 degrees for maximum peace of mind on nearly any motorcycle. The alarm is intense at 110 decibels, and is triggered by vibration or shock. Anti-corrosive exterior stands up to weather well, and the product includes 2 keys. This all-metal lock is equal parts strong, loud, and secure. Severe wind can set off the alarm if left outside, so the sensitivity may be too high. At number 2. Wsdcam Wireless Anti-Theft Alarm. This 113 decibel wireless alarm is triggered via vibration, tilt, or remote from up to 20 meters away. Boasts 7 different sensitivity levels, 6 unique ringtones, and a IP5 waterproof polycarbonate shell. It can pair to 8 different remotes and even works in the home on doors and windows. A wireless and piercingly loud theft deterrent with additional clever applications. The double-sided installation sticker may not hold up well over time. At number 1. MysBiker Alarm and Disc Brake Lock. This anti-theft device combines a 6mm steel pin brake disc lock with a loud 110 decibel alarm for maximum security. The alarm will automatically activate when it senses any vibration or shock, and is easy to lock with a single push of a button. Fits most motorcycles and scooters, including cruisers, choppers, sport bikes, and racing bikes. Bandits beware, this sophisticated motorcycle alarm offers a comprehensive anti-theft solution. The lock is strong, but some users have reported alarm malfunctions in heavy rain and cold. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.